freaking lakhs for machinery. Who in the right mind wants to put that amount of money into an experiment? No one. And honestly, I wasn't ready to either. So I used to run a construction business. Would you believe that? A hotelier by education, a BPO executive, an ex-banker, an author, and then a business that had nothing to do with my past experience. Now, construction in India is labor intensive, and with labor come challenges that only an entrepreneur really knows. So, I had two choices. One, stay with the status quo, continue the business as is, or run an experiment to reduce my dependence on labor. The catch? That experiment came with a price tag of 20 lakhs. Bravery isn't about taking uneducated risks. It's about taking intelligent ones. So I started talking to suppliers in China, and I said, "Can you help me with this equipment? This is what I have in mind." And the cost came down from the 20 to the 12 lakhs. But it's still too much money for an experiment, right? So then I asked myself, is this machinery really rocket science? Could I build it myself? Now, most people would say it requires an engineer or at least an engineering degree. Wrong. Because when you overcome the fear of not being enough and you are unafraid of failure, you can be anyone you want to be. So Sid Bari, author, banker, motivational speaker, hotelier, shows up in engineer shoes at Chawri Bazaar in Old Delhi. Several distractions, like pimps on GB Road saying, "Sir, enjoy karenge." but on that hot, sweaty July afternoon, I decided to build my own machinery. But the fear of failure still lingered. What if I wasted all my precious working capital on this experiment? But I budgeted about 3.5 lakh rupees and I said, let's go with this. I started building with welders and craftsmen. Now, did I succeed right away? I failed. I failed miserably. Over and over and over again. And more parts, more labor, more cost. Now, you reach out to some experts in physics and who have written books and they have degrees and they can't help you either. And finally, after spending 4.5 lakh rupees, yes, more than planned, the project was complete. And here's the kicker. I recovered that investment in savings on a single project. Everything else after that was pure profit. Now that is the beauty of entrepreneurship. You don't need to push papers. And that's the beauty of overcoming fear. Every failure, every experiment, every risk, it will shape you. It will shape you. It all shapes you. And today, I bring those experiences into my coaching. Because when you see life through the prism of fear, you'll also see the light that shines beyond it. And that light is bright. It is very bright. There is nothing that you cannot do. So, if you're an entrepreneur or dream of becoming one, join me in the Break, Seize, Forge coaching program. Learn how to turn fear into fuel. Learn how to make brave, intelligent choices. This is Sid Bari. Until next time, be fearless.